Now the Super Skin V is a fully skin-based system. It's actually 0.06 millimeters thick. That is incredibly thin, and what that means is when you place it on your head, you don't even know you're wearing it. It's breathable, it's comfy, and it allows you to attach both glue and tape to the entirety of the base, unlike our full lace bases. With lace, you can only use tape, so if you're someone who likes using glue as well, you can go ahead and apply this over the entire system if you want to. So what that means is you don't really need access to a salon or a barber. You can do it at the comfort of your own home, quite easily put glue or tape either on your scalp or directly onto the hair system, place it down and you're good to go. You can get around 2 to 3 weeks wear out of this before you need to then maintain it, and all you're going to want to do is take a small amount of adhesive remover with a cotton bud, take it up, wash it with some lukewarm water, dry it, reapply your glue, reapply your tape, and it's good to go. Now this is perfect, as I said before, if you're someone new to wearing hair systems and you're not really sure how to navigate, how to maintain it, you can't really go wrong with the Super Skin V. And it's perfect for people who are, looking for more of a daily wear hair system. So if you're not someone who's going to be doing extreme exercise or living in extremely hot climates, then this is a perfect hair system for you, because it's comfortable, it's got great wear, it's good in durability, and it looks completely natural on the head. You look at the scalp, you can see the hair grows, it looks like the hair grows straight throughout the scalp. So you can do most hairstyles with this and still look completely natural. Even your friends won't know you're wearing it, standing right in front of you.